guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to get this package. This is from Flora Nail Shop. This is from Miss Talia herself. I am so excited to get this package all the way from Canada. It really did not take that long to get here. I'm so excited. You guys, I know there's some amazing stuff in here, and she threw in some extra goodies for me. Thank you so much, Talia. Girl, I am so proud of you, and I'm so excited to see all your new adventures to come. I'm here for it. I'm here for you. You guys, go check her out. The link will be in the description box. Go support her small business. And she also has press-on shop as well if you're into press-on nails, with some of the most amazing designs I have ever seen. Stunning, absolutely stunning. So we're gonna dive right into this box. Like I said, this didn't take very long to get here. I'm in the States. She is in Canada. Oh, and then she wrote a little handwritten note. Oh, I'm just so excited. So excited. Oh, and this cardstock is beautiful. Her logo, absolutely stunning. Kind of matches my nails a little bit. Ooh, got the floral nails going on for the Flora Nail Shop. Okay, right on top here. Look at how pretty these are. We got some 3D flowers. Oh my goodness. These ones in particular are absolutely stunning. I love these pearlescent ones as well. And then we have the same colors, but just a little bit smaller. These are really neat because they have like just a little hole in the middle. You could put like a little rhinestone in there, which would be gorgeous. Love that. And she also threw in some shells. Ooh, these are so cool. And some stones. If you really like 3D texture on your nails, these would be a lot of fun. I have a couple girls who go crazy for that kind of stuff. They love it. And these are absolutely beautiful. You can encapsulate these little shell pieces. Love those. Let's dig in and see what we got. Oh, you guys, seriously have not been this excited for a package in a very long time. Okay, so she also threw in a lint roller. Talia, girl, how did you know I needed one of these? And a refill. So my lint roller that I currently have is from Twinkled T. It's pretty much the same one. It just has the different logo on it. And let me tell you, this thing has been used to death. It's got stamping polish all over it. I absolutely love having this, but they didn't have any refills for it. So having the refill and the new one, I'm stoked about, because seriously, how beautiful is that? I am going to proudly place that baby on my desk. And yeah, this one, I've used it up. It's completely empty, so it needed a refill. So I'm just going to toss that one to the side and open up my new goodie. If you guys don't have one of these, seriously, get one. This is the best tool for stamping. It has basically a lint roller in it, but it's got this cover on it. Let me grab my box cutter here. Stop trying to use my nails for things. Yeah, so you've got your sticky lint roller. When you need to change it, it just peels right off. You peel that piece off, and then you've got your lid to close it up so you don't get dirt all over it and dust all over it. Like, I used to just use a regular lint roller all the time for stamping. It would be completely covered in dust. Completely. So having this little lid is perfect, and a little refill. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. Okay, now let me show you some of the things that I ordered. I am a big Madam Glam girl, and I've always loved Madam Glam, and I've been working with Madam Glam for 5 years now, and they just keep getting better and better. I love the company. They're fantastic, and their polishes, amazing. But I have had my eye on Coco and Claire for quite a while, and you can pick these up from Clear Jelly Stamper. They're a beautiful polish brand. I've not got to try any yet. They do remind me a lot of Madam Glam's, so I was like, I don't need any more colors, but I really want to try Coco and Claire. And then Talia opened her little shop, and I thought this is the perfect opportunity to finally try these polishes out. So I got 3 colors. Let's go ahead and get them all out. Everything is packaged so amazing. Okay, so I got these 3 colors to try out. First of all, the packaging is adorable. These are a 12 ml bottle. Madam Glam's are a 15 ml, so it's just a bit smaller. The color on this packaging is stunning. It's almost like a chromy unicorny pink color, and then the handle is rose gold, and it's got these like little 3D water droplets on it. So A+ for packaging. And it's got the color swatch on top, which I'm a huge fan of. Madam Glam also does this. I love having that there. It's the exact color that is in the bottle. Perfect. And then on the bottom it has their number and name. And this is Sexy Red. And my girls love reds. I love reds as well. I saw this red and I thought, I've got to try it. This one is called Pink Sand, number 137. And it is a gorgeous sparkly pink. I am so excited to try this color. Oh, I love pinks like this. I've got to crack it open and see. Oh, can you guys see the sparkles in that? That's really pretty. And these have a really pleasant smell to it. It's not like a really gross chemically smell. I really like it. Let's just go ahead and pop this red open and look at it as well. Oh, that is so pretty. So I'm very excited to swatch these. Check out the formula. They look extremely pigmented. Okay, and last but not least, I got a nudie color called Chestnut, number 346. And it's like a nice camel-y brown, neutral. How do I describe this? Yeah, kind of like a light coffee brown almost. Really pretty. So I thought that would add to my ever-growing collection of gel polishes. Okay, next up, I wanted to try out Nail Queen Studio cuticle oils, because just the way that everybody's been talking about them, I'm like, I've got to try these. So I got 2 oils, and I also ordered the Coco and Claire top coat. This is called Shine. Did I get a regular top coat or did I get a matte top coat? I believe it's a regular top coat. So there's that. And then I can smell these already. Holy smokes. So I got Berry Melon Tart and Cotton Candy. So I'm going to give them a sniff. Ooh, that smells exactly like cotton candy. That smells amazing. Try the other one. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Had to get a little dollop here. So good. That's a really nice oil. That feels great. Very excited to add these in with all of my goodies. Okay, and she threw in some little like swatching stones here. These are so fun to have. And then I ordered, I believe, 2 scoops. Maybe I just ordered 1 scoop of the Nail Art Confetti. This is the funnest thing I think I have ever seen. So she's just got this like a big bucket of goodies that she just dumps stuff in, and then you can order a scoop of it, and she takes this huge scoop and scoops it out and just dumps it in a bag for you. How stinking fun is that? I'm obsessed with this. This is really the whole reason for the order, is this Nail Art Confetti. So let's see what's in it. So it's like a surprise every time. You just get, it's like a little grab bag of goodies. I'm so excited. And there's all kinds of little glitters and stuff. She's got like loose glitters and things in her little bucket. So right there you can see little crosses, little stars, some dots, some hexies, a couple of butterflies, all kinds of cute stuff. Seriously, Talia, can you get any cuter? All right, I'm just gonna dump it because it's just got so much stuff in it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, there's a snowflake. Okay, so she's got these little adorable files. These are so cute. It is so great to have one of these like in your purse. You get like a little snag and you have a little file. And look at the cute little design. I'm obsessed. Those are adorable. Oh, look at the little strawberry Fimos. So cute. I definitely don't have anything like that, so that's fun. And then here we have snowflakes. Fun, fun, fun. Looks like different sizes and colors. We've got green, red, white, Oh, I was afraid I was going to dump them all. So cute. Those will definitely get used this coming winter. We got a little buffer block. Again, a great little thing to just kind of toss in your purse and have it on hand. Okay, I was so hoping to get some of these. How cute are these stickers? Ah! I just want to order like one of every nail polish bottle sticker she has because they're really cute. Oh, for crying out loud. How cute is that? I love it. And it's all holographic and freaking gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And then, oh, look at what we have in here. A little donut Mickey head. So cute. Let's see. I'm going to look at all these glitters. Oh, my goodness. Little gold hearts. Those are so pretty. And what is in this one? This is interesting. What is that? Are those balloons? How fun! So little pink hearts, some like blue balloons, and some like heart Fimo pieces. Those are fun. This is like the kind of stuff that you probably wouldn't order, and then just like getting like a scoop of it, it allows you to try like all these different little things, and you're like, oh yeah, I do really like these. So we got some little holographic green Christmas trees and some more snowflakes, which is so fantastic. I love these little snowflakes. These are really small. Oh, there's different shaped ones too. How fun. Ooh, I like those. Those are really nice. I'm so gonna use all of these this Christmas. And what is this one? Oh, fun. Okay, so we have all kinds of goodies in here. There is a giant snowman. Come here, little guy. So he's kind of like pink, iridescent. Very cool. And then all kinds of other little goodies in here. Kind of like a Christmassy mix. Stars, snowflakes, all kinds of goodies. The snowmen are so fun. And then we have, it looks like a chrome. I can't see the color. I'm gonna open it. Oh my God, is that black? What is that? Oh my goodness. So it looks like maybe a pigment powder. That's cool. I don't think I have anything quite like this. How neat is that? That is super pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna put that away before I make a mess. Okay, and then it looks like we have a whole bunch of little water decals and some stickers. So let's look at these babies. Some beautiful little floral ones. Oh, look at the butterflies. Cute, cute. Ooh, those are beautiful. I love these. So pretty. Oh my gosh, rainbow. These are fun. It's like a whole full cover thing. You just like cut out what you need, or you can do like a whole nail. That's fun. These are stickers, very cute. Or are those water decals? I think those are stickers. Very cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, no way. This is in their confetti thing? Stop. How did I not see that sitting there staring at me? I was looking at stickers. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my God, it is stunning. So like a little art palette, but look at the flowers. They're so beautiful, and little shell pieces encapsulated. This is so beautiful. I love this so much. Ugh, so much. And then a little bit of the devil was thrown in here. So striping tape, I have a love-hate relationship with. I love how the look of striping tape is such a pain to work with. But we've got some beautiful silver striping tape. So yeah, that is it. This was so much fun. This is probably the most fun unboxing I've ever done. Thank you so much, Talia, for all the little extra goodies you threw in there. You did not have to do that, but they are greatly appreciated. I cannot wait to play with everything. I'm going to swatch these gorgeous polishes and check those out. I'm very excited to play with Coco and Claire for the first time. And probably my absolute favorite thing out of this whole box is this gorgeous little palette. It's so cute. But everything, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to get so much use out of this. I love these little babies here. So much fun stuff in this box. Oh, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out Talia's little shop, Flora Nail Shop. I will put the link in the description box. She ships everywhere. And if you're local, you can even pick up, I believe. They have so much stuff. They've got clear jelly stamper products, Coco and Claire, the Nail Queen Studio, and tons more. So definitely go check her out and make sure that you add a scoop of the nail confetti, the nail art confetti, into your order every time, because it's just way too fun. I mean, look at what I got. Look at how cute. Look. You can't beat it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.